Hey guys, I'm Bro Bmart back with another video. Today in this video I will show you how to turn your boring default UI into Windows 10 themed UI. You don't have to install any third-party apps. You can either search Windows 10 launcher in the Google Play Store or install the launcher from the link given in the description, which will redirect you to Google Play Store. After installing the launcher app, tap on the app icon and follow these steps. To set the launcher as your default launcher, you have to go to Launcher Settings and change the TouchWiz, which is my current launcher, to Windows 10. Tap on the Select and Yes. Now select the computer launcher and press on the Home button. How is the look? Comment below now. On the bottom there are the window, message, call and Chrome icons. Tap on the arrow to unlock the status section where you can view the network, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and battery status. Beside the arrow icon, you will get the date and time section. Tap on the box icon to open the Action Center panel. Tap on the Home button to open the Windows Search and Apps panel. You can either slide up to view all your apps or type in the app's name in the search box. Tap on the 3 bars icon beside the search box to get the search, account settings, file explorer settings and power icon. Tap on the File Explorer icon. The design is 90% accurate with actual Windows 10 design, but the add on the bottom is little unnecessary and somehow destroyed the look. Local disk C shows all your files stored in your phone memory and local disk D shows all your files stored in your microSD card. This PC shows you the detailed disk space and other folders such as documents, downloads, pictures and videos. You can create a new folder and unlock more features by tapping on the 3 dot icons. If you press on the home screen for a couple of seconds, the desktop menu will pop up. You can change the themes, wallpaper, colors, widgets and more. The launcher works perfectly and it is the highest rated Windows 10 launcher on Google Play Store. If you did enjoy watching this video, then subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like, share and comment. Thanks for watching. I'm Bro Bmart and I'm signing out.